Stop saying 안녕하세요. Want to introduce yourself like a K-pop idol? We're breaking down ALD1's official profile to teach you Korean idol speak. Learn must-know terms like Maknae and discover what an Ipdeok Point really is. Ready to level up your Korean? Watch now! Welcome to K-Talk Lab, where K-pop meets learning. Subscribe and join the lab. Today, we're diving into the world of K-pop to learn some authentic Korean. We'll be using this fun self-introduction video from the new group, Alpha Drive 1 or ALD1, as our textbook. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to introduce yourself and understand key K-pop lingo. Ready? Let's go! First, let's look at the basic profile terms. The members start with their names. Ira means name, Gunwoo states.
이름은 김건우입니다.
Means my name is Kim Gunwoo. You can use this formal structure anywhere. Next, 생년 월일, which means date of birth. Gunwoo says.
생년일은 2003년 4월 11일.
Which means the date of birth is April 11th, 2003. We then have Chwimi for hobby and Tukji for special skill. Look at Sangwon's profile for examples. Dokseo is reading and Youngwa Siking is watching movies. Now, let's get into the idol speak first, aka or Byeolmyang for nickname. Then we have Maknae. Senyun introduces himself as the Guyomi Maknae, the cute youngest member. Maknae is a must-know term. Our favorite term, Ipdeok Point. This means entry point into the fandom or charm point. Gunwoo's point is his ipkori, the corners of his mouth. Shinlong's is his bahoka, his dimple. Finally, TMI, which stands for too much information. Sangwon's TMI is
커피를 정말 좋아합니다.
It means I really like coffee. And they all shout injang, which means I agree or I approve. Use it to show agreement. Let's review the particles. Yoon or noon marks the general topic. I or ga marks the subject, often used for highlighting or contrast. In ALD1, they often use jia noon. It means, as for me to introduce the main speaker. Let's master the polite informal ending, ayo or ioyo. We use this by dropping the dictionary ending da. Gunwoo says.
매운 음식을 잘 먹어요.
It means, I eat spicy food well. Miakda to eat becomes miaogyo. Case 3. Hada verbs like joahada to like always become joaheyo. Remember the Korean sentence structure. Subject, object, predicate, SOP. The verb is always at the end. Look at Sangwon's example.
저는 커피를 좋아합니다.
It means I really like coffee. Practice placing the verb last. Now it's your turn. Use the new terms and grammar to make your own K-pop profile. My name is.
제 이름은
Your name.
예요.
Or.
예요.
My charm point is.
저의 입덕 포인트는
Your charm point.
예요.
Or.
예요.
Great job, everyone. You've learned how to introduce yourself like a K-pop idol and mastered some essential terms. Don't forget to rewatch ALD1's video to hear these phrases in action. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more lessons. Fighting?